In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung tablet wallpaper. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the wallpaper of the lock and the home screen. You will be able to change it to presets made by Samsung, or you can choose from any of the images available in your gallery. Changing it is extremely simple. So you can either go directly to your library and find a picture that you would like to set your wallpaper to, and when you go over to the settings, you will be able to find the option, or you can tap and hold on the home screen. So on the home screen, tap and hold anywhere that there is no application. Immediately upon tapping and holding on any of the pages that you have on the home screen, you will be brought into this window. So if you look at the bottom left, you can find wallpaper and style. You can also access themes if you would like to have a compilation of things changed, such as the wallpaper plus the icons plus other aspects visually about your phone or your tablet, but the main one is going to be wallpaper and style. So when you choose this option, you will now be able to browse through all of the wallpapers. You can find featured ones that I mentioned that are made by Samsung. Some of them are going to be static pictures, while others are going to be videos, and you can find the images available in your gallery. Whenever you choose any of the pictures or videos available here, you will be able to set them as the wallpaper for the lock screen, so before you unlock your device, and then also for the home screen. You can use the same image for both, or you can choose individually, so a different image for each of the lock screens and the home screen. It is simple to do, and you will be able to customize it as many times as you wish. Just tap and hold on the home screen, go over to wallpaper and style, and then you will now be able to browse through all of the wallpapers available by Samsung. You also have the option to generate cool wallpapers with AI, so explore however many wallpapers you would like to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung tablet wallpaper. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.